Hi, I am Imal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is Continuity and Differentiability. If f of x equal to sin 2x minus cos 2x, then find f dash of pi by 6. So it is asked to find f dash of pi by 6. F of x equal to sin 2x minus cos 2x. Next you have to find f dash of x. F dash of x equal to sin 2x. Differentiation of sin x is cos 2x into 2x. Differentiation of 2 is 2 into 2. Then minus differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin x. So minus sin 2x into differentiation of 2x is 2. So what you get is 2 cos 2x plus 2 sin 2x. Next you have to find f dash of pi by 6. Here 2 is common, so I take it as outside. Cos 2 into pi by 6 plus 2 in sin 2 into pi by 6. Sin 2 into pi by 6. I take 2 outside. So cos 2 into pi by 6 is pi by 3. This one is pi by 3. So 2 cos pi by 3, that is 183. 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 into, that is 1 by 2 plus here root 3 by 2. So here 1 plus root 3 by 2. Here one more 2. Therefore 2 get cancelled. Therefore 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.